Hello and welcome. This is a new series in which I'm gonna discuss the fundamentals of C Sharp. So if you want to learn the basics of C Sharp, this series is only for you, and the students who want to improve their basics of programming will also take benefit from this. Okay, so let's start. First of all, open your Visual Studio, and if you don't have Visual Studio installed in your system, don't worry, I have given the link in the description which will guide you complete on how to install it. Okay, so open Visual Studio, click on create a new project. Now select the language from here, C Sharp. Now select Console app and click on Next. Write any name for your project. I'm gonna name it as Example. Click on Create. So this is the area where we will write our code. First of all, let's try to understand this code. This is a namespace example. Now notice that this name example is the same name which we've given to our project. So this is the namespace of our project. And the namespace is like a container which can contain multiple classes in it, and this namespace containing this class program, and this class may contain multiple functions and variables, and this class program now contains static void main. This is our main function, and the main function is the area where the execution of our program is start. And this main function contains this console.writeLine function, and this function is used to output anything on the screen. So the text between these double quotation marks will print as it is on our output screen. So let's check it. You can use this button to run your program, or you can simply press Ctrl F5 from your keyboard. See, this hello world is printed on our screen. Now what about this using system? Using is a keyword which is used to reference another namespace in our program. So this using keyword is referencing this namespace system, and this namespace system contain different functions like input output function like this console.writeLine function and many others. Okay, so now let's write something on screen. Listen, you don't have to write console console.writeLine manually. Just write CW and press tab. Your code is ready. So this is a shortcut for writing console.writeLine. Then put double quotations and write anything you want. Now check its output. Ctrl F5. See, hello world, how are you? And if you want to delete any line in your code, don't delete it manually by selecting it and pressing delete or backspace. Just press Ctrl L from your keyboard and your line will be deleted. And if you want to take it again, just press Ctrl Z to undo. Okay, one other important thing which I want to tell you in this first class is that if you accidentally close your program file and you can't find it anywhere, and don't worry, you can take it again by going to Solution Explorer. Now what is Solution Explorer? It is the area which will contain all of our project files, and you can take your file again from this Solution Explorer. See, this is our project example and this contains this program.cs. This is our program. Click on it. Now your file is open, and see, this program.cs contain this program class program, and this class program contain this main function, and this is our main function. So in this way, this Solution Explorer containing all of our files information, and we can open any file from this easily. So that's it. In the next class I will tell you about variables and different data types. Take care of yourself. Bye for now.